Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to install Sublime Text on a Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser, you need to type over here Sublime Text download, hit enter. So just simply go to their official site of Sublime Text. This link I am going to provide right in our video description. Once when you are here, you will see that our Sublime Text is available for Mac OS, Windows and Linux. We are going to download it for Windows, so I am going to click on this Windows and it's going to immediately start downloading our Sublime Text. You can see it is right downloaded, just a 15 MB file. Once downloaded, just simply click on this installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes, and you can minimize your browser. And here is our Sublime Text installation wizard. Just simply click on next. Here I'll recommend you to select this add to Explorer context menu and click on next. Ready to install, click on install and our installation is rightly begun. And it is rightly done as well. Just simply click on finish. So Sublime Text is now rightly installed. Let's launch it. Go to search and type Sublime and it's going to show you Sublime Text over here. Just open that and there you go. This is our Sublime Text. So here you can start your coding journey. So I'll first go to file and click on open folder, and I'm going to go to desktop and going to create a new folder and going to name this folder as HTML and going to select that folder. So here you can see that folder is rightly opened over here. Next is to create a new file. So select that folder, right click and click on new file, and let's first save this file as. So go to file and click on save as index.html. Just click on save. File is rightly saved as index.html. Let's write a bit of HTML coding. So just simply type HTML and just hit tab key on your keyboard. Immediately you are going to see a boilerplate generated over here. Here let's give a title. I'll give Geeky Script, and on our body tag also I'm going to provide a paragraph tag. So p tag, and I'm going to close it, and within paragraph tag I'm going to type hello Geeky Script subscriber. Just go to file and save this file and open this folder in Explorer and just simply double click on this file and there you go. You can see it is properly rendered on our browser whatever you have written. So that's how you install Sublime Text and you can start working on your coding journey on Sublime Text. It's a very lightweight. So that's how you install Sublime Text. If you are interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these projects like creating this rock paper scissors game or background remover or creating a QR code. So all these videos you can see are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And if you are interested on WordPress, so for that also we have these videos. So please do check out my other videos and also subscribe and join our community. That's going to really help me to make more the similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.